welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And for today's video, guys, is we're heading to the mountain right now. And yes, so we're going to distribute this school supplies for the kids there. And before that, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Yes, thank you so much as sponsors who donated to make this happen, you know. I'm so very happy, and not just me, also the kids. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be more happier than me. So I'm very thankful for you guys. You're still here. You're not leaving me, and you are always here every time I have a program like that, or something like I want to do it for a purpose, but for good, you know. So yeah, I'll see you right back there, guys, if we arrive, and if we get there already, I'll continue this vlog. And goodbye for now, guys. Hi guys, I'm already here, just arrived, and we're about to eat our porridge, our chocolate porridge, as we call champurado here, because I also did this so kids can eat porridge while I'm giving the school supplies. So this is my idea, guys. This is my own expenses, my own money to have this porridge, because I just want to feed the kids here while they going to have their school supplies. So we're ready, and thanks to Ate Marilyn and Ate Angeleta, who are always supporting, and they're always helping me here, whatever what activities, or like, you know what, like the Christmas party, they also help me. So they're very helpful parents. So we're ready now. As you can see, we're preparing the porridge for the kids. So we're gonna make a full line so we can distribute the porridge. So it's already 10 in the morning. It's a snack here in the Philippines. So perfect. Porridge is the snack of the kids. So we're going to start, and now fall in line. Fall in line, kids. Lugaw.
On, Kurt.
Ang di mo kaon kay Wise School Supply.
Hoy. Sige na mo.
Dali.
Siling. O, pagkagin mo. Malayo lang dito bangko.
Saan? Hinahinay lang ka mapasok, ha?
Sige. Ay, magkakot. Pagtagsa mo, kon. Ninin, sige na.
Ali na.
Ha?
Ali na.
Pagkado.
Daraw lang na. Sige. Ate. Dali. Ay, nito. Dali. Sige lang. Basta, hindi lagi mo kaon, may school supply ay.
Maya buha. Magkaon sa mugbugnaw kayo, lain mo sad.
Bitaw.
Turo mo na.
Alright, kids.
Inay ha.
Napay daghan, there's more. Adult can eat as well. Mga dag ko pwede sa mukaon, kaya na pa may dahang sobra. Oh. Parents can eat as well. Not only the kids, because we still have leftover. Many leftover.
Dali ba?
Ay na. Kaon. Diba kaya tag nato school supply, school supply na last cartoon. Mga tada na. So guys, we are ready, and as you can see guys, the kids are falling in line and they're so excited about their school supplies giving away. So are you guys excited? Excited mo? Ay, kahit na nakakaon ng sigurado. Excited ba mo? Na, perfect. Okay, so let's start guys. And once again, thank you sponsors to make this happen. And yeah, we're blessed, thankful. So only God knows everything what He did to share your blessings. These kids. Sige, okay, we going to start na. Start kita. Ashley, grade 4 no. Ayo, oh. Grade 4 sa kami. Ayo, 5 notebooks. Yan ang problema si mama. Gamay na lang palitonan. Grade 4, so ano siya, 24. Ada 24 trials. Ano ka na i-hydrate para makita ka sa video. So tindot pa biya ni kanang isuwat mo. Kanang excited kita musuot basta bago kay atong ko ano papel, notebook, no? Nagbilit kay nato alas sa una estudyante ta. So mao ni imong haday. Tapos na, uy, way energy. Salamat. Namugos. Namugos. So, Angel, maghapon same job.
Kasi lang sa ring silipon.
Ang grade 6 to ba? So, ang grade 6 dahil, ang grade 5 grade 6 usara ka papel. So, ang atong kinder to grade 4. Bolting dapat siya. Nag-counting dahil ang video. Basin ko ano ba? Sayang lang. So, no, si you will no? Oh, di mau tanah deko. Ay, asa to lang.
Balik dito, balik.
Ang tanah na ko sa ngani mo dai. Cake. Grade 2. Sa grade 1. Yeah. Dubulay. Wait, dapat tubuhan mo sila ha? Para sunod tuig na lang puntaan eh.
Mahubog ang kulo na bang?
Thank you. Welcome. Hello. Ha? Isa?
Ako wala ko si Julian.